types of surgeries, first and foremost, very basic, we would go is either a mastectomy, that is removal of complete breast. We go in for radical mastectomy, or there is a lumpectomy, or also called as breast conservation surgeries. In case of mastectomy, the breast in toto is removed, but there are options as skin sparing mastectomy, so that the skin is kept intact, so that when you go in for reconstruction, this amount of skin which is left behind accommodates the implant which is being put inside. Or you can be having nipple sparing, so that it gives more natural look to the post-op breast which has been created after reconstruction. And then there is lumpectomy, where you just remove the lump only. This is not done in advanced cases. It can be done only if suppose you have an early diagnosis. You remove the lump, and that is conserve the breast. That is breast conservation surgery. And along with it, the lymph nodes from the axillary area are sampled. This lymph nodes, the lymphatic drainage of breast is to the axillary group of lymph nodes, and they have to be sampled to know whether the breast cancer has gone down to the axillary area. So there are two types. One is sentinel lymph node biopsy, because if you remove more number of lymph nodes, you are more at risk of developing lymphedema, which is a negative sequelae of breast cancer and breast cancer related treatment. You have a swelling in chest, breast, back, also the arm and the hand, and up to the fingers you have. And then that is a very disfiguring and disabilitating condition. So less number of lymph nodes removed, you are having decreasing the chances of having lymphedema, breast cancer related lymphedema. So sentinel lymph node biopsy is done. And in that, if suppose you find that the lymph nodes are involved, or there is a deposition of breast cancer cells in the lymph nodes, you may go in for axillary lymph node dissection. That is, you remove more number of lymph nodes in the axilla, which is required. But then sometimes we directly go in for axillary lymph node dissection. So these are mastectomy, radical mastectomy, modified radical mastectomy, along with sentinel lymph node biopsy or axillary lymph node biopsy. And we have breast conservation surgery, lumpectomy, along with sentinel lymph node biopsy or axillary lymph node biopsy. Once we finish with it, people do want to get back to their previous normal. They need to have the breast reconstructed. So there are, either it would be one step, that is immediately they go in for a reconstruction, or there is a two stage, when they go after some time they go in for the reconstruction. The expanders are placed in the area where the surgery was done. They create a place there, and then the implants are put. Or they use their own tissues, like the fat from the glutes or the lower abdomen, and then the fat transplantation is there. Or they use the latissimus dorsi, that is this muscle which is on the side of, we use that, we remove and we place that muscle at the level of the breast. Or from the flap is also taken from abdomen. This is what is a reconstruction surgery. I always wanted to mention it because it does come in the breast cancer, and one should know about it. So this is what is first is treatment part, and then whatever the plastic surgery, people want to be comfortable, yes, it is needed. And few of them, they don't opt for the reconstruction because they don't want to go in for another surgery, or if you are not able to go in for it, they opt for the external breast prosthesis. So these are the surgeries in short which are involved in treatment of breast cancer and thereafter.